Hello everyone, welcome to University's Consultant. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the application process for the University of Calabria in Italy. The University of Calabria offers a wide range of English-taught master's programs for international students and is one of the most popular universities for studying in Italy. In the next part of the video, I will show you exactly how to complete the online application procedure, upload your documents, and submit your application successfully. So make sure to watch the full video carefully and follow each step. So, first of all, open the Google and write the University of Calabria apply for 2026-27. Then, you will click on Call for Extra EU Students. Here, you will find the PDF of Unical Admission. The admission is now open and the deadline is $30 March. Read it carefully. Here mentioned all the details of master degree courses, details of scholarship, and other allowance. Click on the second cycle international degree courses. Here you will find the complete summary of degree courses in English taught, like the master degree in artificial intelligence, civil engineering, environmental engineering, robotics engineering, telecommunication engineering, health biotechnology, nutritional science, chemistry, mathematics, physics, finance and insurance. Go back to the Unical Admission PDF and carefully read the admission calls. You will pay €10 per application, no later than 30th of March. Now click on the SA3 portal. The new page will be open for registration. Here, click on the Registrati. The registration web page will be open. Click on the Registrazione web. Now, we are on the Personal Data Registration page of the University of Calabria application portal. In this section, you must enter your basic personal information exactly as it appears on your passport. First, enter your first name in the nome field and your last name in the cognome field. Next, select your date of birth using the calendar format shown in the form. Then choose your gender, either male or female. After that, select your citizenship from the drop-down list. For example, if you are from Pakistan, choose Pakistan. Next, select your country of birth, which in most cases will be the same as your citizenship. If your city does not appear in the automatic list, you can manually type it in the city field provided. Finally, the system will automatically generate your Italian codus fiscale, which is a personal identification code used in Italy. Once you have carefully completed all the required fields, click Avanti, Next, to continue to the next step of the application. Now we move to Section 2, which is the residence address information. In this section, you need to enter your current residential address details. First, select your country from the drop-down menu. If you are applying from outside Italy, simply choose your home country. If the country selected is Italy, you will also need to choose the province and city from the available list. Next, enter the postal code, also known as the CAP, if required. In the address field, write your complete street address, including the street name. Then, enter your house or building number in the field labeled Civic Number. You will also see a field asking for the date from which this address is valid, which means the date you started living at this address. After that, provide a contact telephone number where the university can reach you if necessary. Finally, you will see the option, Domicile coincides with residence. If your mailing address is the same as your residential address, simply select Yes. Once all the information is completed correctly, click Avanti, Next, to proceed to the next section of the application. Now we move to Section 3, which is the Contact Information page. Here, you need to enter your email address, which will be used by the university for all official communications. Next, select your international phone code, and then enter your mobile phone number. You can review these options and select Yes or No according to your preference. Once everything is completed, click Avanti, Next, to continue to the next section of the application. Now we move to Section 4, where you need to create your account password. After entering the password correctly, click Avanti, Next to continue. In Section 5, you will see a summary of all the personal information you entered in the previous sections. Carefully review your personal details, residence information, and contact information to make sure everything is correct. Once you confirm that all the data is correct, click Confirm to complete the registration. After completing the registration, the system will generate a PDF file containing your personal registration details, which you can download and save for your records. You will also receive an email from the university that includes your username and password for accessing the student portal. Now go back to the University of Calabria login page, enter the username and password that you received in your email, and then click Accedi, Login. After logging in successfully, you will be able to access your student portal and continue with the application process. Now that you are inside the student portal, open the menu on the right side. From the menu, select Registrar's Office and then click on Admission Test. Here, you will see the Pending Process page. Select the option Test Registration and then click Forward to continue. On the next page, click the Test Registration button to proceed with the admission test registration process. Now we start the application process for the degree program. In Section 1, choose the type of degree. For master's applicants, select Master or Equivalent Second Cycle, 2 years, and then click Forward. In Section 2, you will see the list of available courses for international students. From this list, select your desired program. For example, here we choose Finance and Insurance, master's degree taught in English, and then click Forward. In the next section, the system asks about special educational needs or disability support. If you require support, select Yes and provide details in the comment box. Otherwise, select No and click Forward. Next, you will see the competition application confirmation page. Carefully review the information about your selected program and application details. If everything is correct, click Confirm and Continue. Finally, in the last step, simply click Forward to complete this part of the application process. Now we move to the qualifications section, where you need to enter your academic background. First, you will see the required qualifications section. Here, the system asks for your high school diploma information. Click Enter and select Foreign Diploma since the qualification was obtained outside Italy. Next, click Proceed to continue. In the following page, enter the details of your foreign high school diploma, including the diploma type, institute name, year of achievement, and final grade. After filling in all the information, click Forward. After completing this step, return to the qualifications page. Now, go to Alternative Qualifications and select Foreign Degree, which refers to your bachelor's degree obtained outside Italy. Click Enter and provide the required details such as the university name, degree program, duration, graduation date, and final grade. Once all the information is completed, click Proceed to continue with the application. Now we move to the Qualifications and Documents Upload section. Here, you will see the list of documents required for the application. First, select Yes if you want to upload documents and click Forward. Now, choose the document type from the list. For example, select Passport First Page, enter the qualification name as Passport, upload the file, and click Forward. Repeat the same process for the other required documents. For example, upload your CV and click Forward. Then, upload your university transcript of records and click Forward. Then, upload your bachelor's degree certificate and click Forward. Then, upload the syllabus of all courses and click Forward. Then, upload your English language certificate and click Forward. Then, upload any other supporting documents if available and click Forward. After uploading all the documents, you will see the summary table where all uploaded files are listed. Finally, click Forward to continue. In the last step, review the confirmation page showing all attached documents. If everything is correct, proceed to the next step of the application. Now we move to the questionnaire section of the application. First, you will see the survey list. Here, click on Fill In to open the questionnaire called UNICAL Admission 2026. Step 1. Passport information. Enter your passport or identity card number. Select the document type, for example, passport. Then enter the issuing country, expiration date, and issuing authority. After completing the information, click Avanti, Next. Step 2. Language skills. Here you must select your Italian language level and English language level. If you have a certificate, choose the corresponding level. If you do not have an Italian certificate, you can select None. Then click Next. Step 3. Bachelor degree information. Enter the minimum passing score, maximum passing score, and your obtained score in your bachelor's degree. Then select your study area. For example, if your degree is related to business, choose Business and Economics. Next, enter total exams taken in the chosen study area. Total mathematics exams, only for STEM degrees. Then click Next. Step 4. Master's degree, if available. If you already have a master's degree, enter the same information: minimum score, maximum score, obtained score, and study area. If not, you can leave this section and continue. Step 5. PhD degree, if available. If you have a PhD, enter the degree details, country, duration, and study area. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Step 6. International agreement. Here, the system asks if your university has an agreement with the University of Calabria. If yes, you can describe the agreement details. If not, simply select No and click Next. Step 7. Family income declaration. Finally, choose the correct option regarding your family income category. After selecting the appropriate option, click Next to complete the questionnaire. Now, we are on the final step of the questionnaire. Here you will see the summary page called Repiligo Unical Admission 2026. This page shows all the information you entered in the questionnaire. If everything is correct, click Confirm to finalize the questionnaire. You can also click Print to download or save a copy of the questionnaire for your records. Once confirmed, the questionnaire status will change to Completed, shown with a green indicator. Next, click Forward to continue. Now the system shows the competition selection page where you can review the selected program, for example, Finance and Insurance taught in English. Click Complete Admission to the competition to finalize your application. After submission, you will see the application details page, confirming that your application has been successfully completed. From here, you can print a copy of your application, upload additional attachments if required, edit the application before the deadline, or cancel the application if necessary. Finally, you can download the official admission call participation receipt, which confirms that your application has been successfully submitted. Now we move to the final step of the admission process, which is the application fee payment. First, open the menu and click on Payments. Here you will see the list of fees. The system shows the administrative contribution fee, which is €10 for the selected program. Click on the invoice number to open the payment details. On the next page, you can see the payment information, including the amount and deadline. Now click Pay with PagoPA to proceed with the payment. You will be redirected to the PagoPA payment portal. First, enter your email address because the payment confirmation will be sent to this email. Then, choose your payment method. You can pay using debit or credit card, bank account, Google Pay, or other available payment options. For example, select Debit or Credit Card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and cardholder name, then click Continue. Once the payment is completed, the system will display a confirmation message showing that the payment was successful. You can then click Continue to return to the university portal. Back in the system, you will see the invoice status updated, confirming that the payment has been successfully processed. You can also download the payment receipt for your records. Finally, you will also receive a payment confirmation email from the system. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand the application process. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates about university admissions, scholarships, and study opportunities in Italy and Europe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.